Let me introduce you. This is Alana James, 2 years, 9 months, saying a poem called Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Go, Alana.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star by Jim Taylor.
What? How I wonder.
What you are. Up, blah, blah, blah,
World so high.
like that diamond in the sky. When the blaze of sun is gone, and he never shine apart, then he show his little light, twinkle, twinkle, all night.
Then the traveler.
In the dark,
Go ahead.
thank you for a tiny spark.
He would not know which way to go if you did not.
Twinkle so.
In the dark blue sun,
Looking also
through my curtains peek, for you never shut your
eyes. Why say you shut your eyes?
till the sun is in the sky. As your bright and tiny
But
lights the traveler,
in the dark,
though I know
like me are,
what you are.
like me are,
Twinkle, twinkle,
all night.
little star.
And it's dark.
Ta-da! Very good, Alana.